As time moves forward, people realize that these cars are not. Every car has a story, and it's pretty exciting being part of it. This Austin-Healey was put to a shed and sat there for almost 40 years. My name is Gernot, and I drive a 1961 Austin-Healey BT7. At the first place, I like the beautiful lines, wonderful proportions. See how organic the shape is. It's like a sculpture. Driving these cars is always an adventure. Every time you turn the key and start the engine. The BT7 is for me the last real Austin-Healey roadster, with its perspex side screens and in this case a wonderful hardtop that gives this car a typical coupe look. Configured like that, you can easily go for long distance trips or even go racing or rallying. This car has front disc brakes and a 6-cylinder 3-liter engine with 124 horsepower, and the car is still in its standard configuration with full matching numbers. I started tinkering with British sport cars since I've been a teenager. Just a short time after I've got my driver license, this MGA has been offered in the magazine Classic and Sports Cars in the UK. It has been in a terrible condition. But coming back to this car, it's mine since more than 20 years. The overall condition when I got it was okay, but since I love driving my cars for long distances, I've restored this Austin-Healey to original and as new condition. The engine, gearbox, overdrive, every single piece have been refurbished or renewed. The frames, sills, doors are treated with a special wax for lasting forever. I don't know who will drive this car in 50 years, but I can promise she or he will have a lot of fun with this car.